mood, Effie? Are you in a good mood? Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Ah, come on. Show Daddy. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Ah, ah. Come on. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Ah. Oh. Where's that big smile you had? There we go. There's that big smile. Say hi, Daddy. Yeah. Yeah. Is there anything else you want to tell him? Okay. Really? Say hi. Say hi. Go look at how pretty I am. Look at how big I've gotten. Okay, say I miss you, Daddy. Huh? Is that what that means? And this whole time I thought it meant I'm hungry. It means I miss you? Do you have anything else that you'd like to add? Anything else? Say I may be chunky, but the extra chin just makes me cuter. Makes me a pretty girl. God, you look so fat in the video. Look at that. Let's try and get up higher. Whoa. Why are you trying to eat your fingers? Smile. Bikin your tongue out. Do you want your ducky? Ducky? Mmm. Quackers. No, no ducky. Didn't he make you mad? Are you just hungry? Jim is very hungry. There we go. Oh, but you're hungry. Okay, then say goodbye. Say bye to Daddy. Because Mommy's going to go make you cuppa. Say bye, Daddy. Bye, Daddy. I love you. See you soon.